What's up guys? Today we take a look at the Google Home Mini. Have fun with the video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would appreciate your support. This helps me to be able to produce great videos for you. But first, as always, a brief overview of the packaging. The packaging is kept pretty simple. Now let's take a look inside the box. Just a little info for you. My girlfriend has already opened the box, but everything is in the original condition in the box. First of all, we see the Home Mini in the color anthracite. Underneath we find a power cable, and of course some paperwork. However, the device is relatively self-explaining, therefore this isn't necessary. The cable itself is kept nice and clean. It has a micro USB plug and is permanently installed on the power supply unit. Otherwise, two clips are included to roll up the cable. Now to the device itself. The design is kept simple and clean. It is finished with fabric on the top. The lower part is made of plastic in the same color as the fabric. On the bottom there is a red rubberized surface for a secure hold. Otherwise there's only one connection for power and a switch for the manual deactivation of the microphone. This also has a visible status with the red color. I will just turn on the power. Here you can see the 4 LEDs. Now you can start with the setup. Here the device tells you exactly what to do. You really can't go wrong. Otherwise there are no buttons. The complete input is done with your voice. In terms of sound quality, the speaker is absolutely fine. Of course, it can't compete with larger speakers, but for the size it is absolutely suitable. My conclusion: I really like the Google Home Mini. The processing is at the highest level. The audio is very good for the size and the Google Assistant works great. I also own an Alexa. It is also going very well, but personally I like the Google Home more. But it is more a matter of taste and a question of fate. The Home Mini is also very beautiful in terms of design and fits nicely in a room. So far I can't say anything negative about the device from my side. Therefore, full purchase recommendation. Thanks for watching. If you have stayed till now, I would appreciate your support. Just leave a like, sub or comment. This helps me to be able to produce more videos for you. This is completely free. Thank you. See you next time.